Most people believe scientists discover exactly what they're looking for, that science is a straight line from a question to an answer, but the reality is far more chaotic. Some of the greatest discoveries in human history happened not because a plan succeeded, but because something went terribly wrong. A telescope searching for nearby stars accidentally revealed an expanding universe. A mold-contaminated petri dish mistakenly gave us penicillin. And in the freezing, crushing darkness of the deep ocean, the rulebook of science wasn't just edited, it was completely rewritten. Scientists searching for cold volcanic rocks found thriving alien ecosystems. Researchers hunting for geological cracks discovered animals that defied the laws of biology. Military hydrophones listening for enemy submarines recorded baffling sounds that no scientist can explain. The deeper we go, the stranger this story becomes, because every single creature in this documentary was found entirely by accident. Scientists weren't looking for animals, yet they found entire worlds. April 17th, 1977. The Galapagos Rift, nearly 8,000 feet beneath the surface of the Pacific Ocean. The research vessel wasn't searching for life. The scientists on board were geologists. They wanted to understand how Earth's crust split apart. Nothing more, nothing biological, nothing alive. But as the submersible Alvin hovered just feet above the seafloor, its headlights cut through the gloom, illuminating something that left the geologists completely speechless: the animal with no mouth. Emerging from the toxic superheated water of hydrothermal vents were thousands of giant white tubes. Here in absolute darkness, life was thriving through a biological anomaly, the giant tube worm. It had no mouth, no stomach, no digestive tract. Instead, billions of specialized bacteria inside its body converted toxic hydrogen sulfide into energy, a process called chemosynthesis. If life could survive without eating, what else had evolution invented down here? Sometimes finding a creature is only the beginning. Understanding it is the real challenge. In 1939, oceanographers accidentally hauled a strange fish into their nets, the barrel eye. For decades, it baffled scientists as every specimen brought to the surface collapsed into a mangled mess. It wasn't until deep-sea cameras filmed it alive that the stunning truth emerged. Its head is a transparent canopy. Its glowing green eyes sit inside its skull, rotating straight up to hunt silhouettes. We spent 70 years completely misunderstanding how it sees the world. Can you believe one of history's greatest sea monsters was discovered almost by accident? Mainstream science long dismissed the giant squid as a mere myth. Then came September 30th, 2004. During a routine survey, a deep-sea camera captured the impossible: a living, wild, giant squid, over 26 feet long, striking the bait. Nobody set out to prove it existed that day. The cameras simply happened to be in the right place at the right time, bringing a centuries-old legend out of the darkness and into reality. Deep beneath the Western Pacific, ultra-sensitive hydrophones picked up a haunting, complex sound, the Western Pacific biotwang, a low-frequency moan that transitions into a metallic sci-fi ring. It is distinctly biological and structured, yet the author of this deep-sea symphony remains a ghost. What if the next accidental discovery is an entire species we've never seen? The greatest extinction is not losing something known, it's losing something unknown. Now, imagine a more haunting future, a species that vanishes before we ever accidentally find it, an ecosystem that goes extinct before being documented, or a biological adaptation lost forever. The deep ocean holds millions of undiscovered species, but we are in a race to time to find them before they fade into the dark forever. For decades, we feared the unknown terrors lurking in the midnight zone, but the real monster descended from above. Plastic pollution, deep-sea mining, and climate change. The deepest trenches on Earth now contain evidence of humanity. Even where humans rarely go, our fingerprints arrive first. But there is a silver lining. Discovery creates value. Value creates protection. Protection creates survival. The accidental discovery of hydrothermal vents inspired conservation. Marine reserves restored ecosystems. Protected habitats recovered. The more we learn, the more reasons we find to protect. The deep ocean tells us that science advances through surprises, through glorious accidents. The largest habitat on planet Earth is still waiting to surprise us. Somewhere below the waves, a research vessel is drifting right now. They are searching for one thing, but history promises they will find something else. And whatever they discover, it may change everything we think we know about life. The deep ocean's greatest discoveries often happened by accident, revealing how little we truly know about the largest habitat on Earth. Every expedition has the potential to rewrite science. Subscribe for more documentaries exploring the hidden creatures, mysteries, and discoveries waiting beneath the waves.